Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will explain how to use GNU Make. Now what is exactly GNU Make? Well, it is a powerful tool to automate builds for your programs. So first of all, let me show you how to install it. So for this I would run this command on my system, because I use Gentoo. But of course your command, your package manager may be different from mine. So maybe for Ubuntu, I believe this is the command, or maybe it could be make utils. I don't remember exactly. Once it's installed, we can start creating a C file. In the C language. For this, I will create a template. What can we do? Maybe it's a simple printf. I don't know. Subscribe to the channel. Greetings, and then my name inside a variable. Oops, I cannot type today. Like this, and then just 7 characters. All right. So now it's still text. So we need to convert it to machine code. And for this, we use this command. But first, let me explain quickly what it means. So clang is the compiler. This is the C file that we just created, and the output is going to be written to this test file. So now when I run it, I have the output as expected. But of course, as you can tell, if you have to type this command every time, it's going to be very tedious, very quickly. So there's a better way to do it, and that's using GNU Make. So let me show you how to do it. So for this we create a make file. Now the convention is that you capitalize the first letter of the make file, because it helps, it stands out from the rest of the files. Like when you have readme files, they're all in capital letters, and it helps you recognize them easily. So yeah, so for this, to create a make file, we need 3 elements. First, we need the target. I will just name the file like it's I will use this name, and this is the target. And we have the dependency. It's simply the C file that we created, and then we have the recipe. The recipe is the command that we just used. So I will retype the entire command. That's it. Now, very important, when you create make files, you cannot use spaces. You have to use tabs. So definitely not a good idea. This will work, but this doesn't. So yeah, just to warn you, very important. Now I will save the file, and now when I run it, I get a message saying that it's already up to date, but it's doing nothing. Maybe we can add another line. I don't know, to delete the file, for example. And for this, I will remove false, then test, and this will actually remove the file. As you can tell, we have the file has been deleted. So now, when I run make again, the output, the program is being created again. Now, if you want to look up documentation about GNU Make, because there's a lot of information, you can simply use this command, and it's very useful. There's a lot of information inside. So there are the recipes. Oh, I didn't mention anything about variables, so maybe I can do that quickly. So yeah, and let me do that first. So create C flags, and then a bunch of parameters for the compiler. And now when I delete the file, I don't really, okay, it's already was already gone already, I think. Now when I run it, oh, I forgot to do something first. Silly me. I have to use it inside the file. I mean inside the recipe. Otherwise, it will not build. I mean, it will not use the parameters. So. Alright, it's gone. Now when I run make, I get a lot more, it's a lot more verbose, as you can tell. So there's also a main page, which tells you everything you need to know as well. But I think, in my opinion, the info make is much more useful in this case than the make command. Than the main page, sorry. So I believe that's everything I had to say about the subject, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below, and I will get back to you. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day.